Hello students, good morning. Today I will teach one problem, continuous series itself, arithmetic mean. Please take down of this one problem. Listen carefully. Calculate mean arithmetic for the arithmetic mean for the following data. Where they have been, this is the continuous series. Continuous series means 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Number of students, that is F, or you can say N also. They have given the frequency 5, 10, 25, 30, 20, 10. You see the tabular column 0 to 10, 10 to 0 to 10, 10 to 20, they have given, and the class interval. In class interval we have marked as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, up to 50 to 60. Then frequency what they have given, we have entered that. Then x value, how yesterday itself I taught you that x how you will find 0 plus 10. Here class interval is 0 to 10, so 0 plus 10 divided by 2. Then what will get the answer? 10 by 2, that is 5. Then 10 to 20, that means 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 divided by 2 means 15. Likewise you have to find the value for x. Will then you frequency f, no, that you will add that value for f, you will get the value for n, that you are getting as 100. Then you are finding the value for x. Then how you will find d is equal to, we have to find d dash is equal to x minus a by c. Actually what the formula for a continuous series, x bar is equal to a plus summation fd dash divided by n into c. That's the formula for that. Then how you will find d dash is equal to x minus a. What is assumed mean? Yesterday itself I taught you. In x, what's the middle value? How many values are there? You count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 value is there. Here what we will do, what value are getting, you see, 5, 15, 25, 35. The middle value, the both value are getting, because it is in an even number, so 25, 35. We will take the first value as 25, that is the assumed mean. That is a is equal to 25. So what you will get here, d dash is equal to x minus a. A is the assumed mean. Then divided by c. C is equal to 10, because class interval how much you have? 0 to 10, 10 to 20. That means what? Class interval is 10. So we will calculate x minus a by c. X value what? First value what you have? 5. 5 minus a. Assumed mean what you have? 25. 5 minus 25 divided by 10, you will get minus 2. Likewise for every x value you are finding this, and f d dash, you are multiplying f into d dash. What you will get? 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. 10 into minus 1, minus 10. Like that you are multiplying f and d dash, and you add this summation fd dash. You add this one and you will get summation fd dash is equal to 80. This is fd dash, dears, not fd. Summation fd dash is equal to 80. So you substitute in the formula. X bar is equal to a plus summation fd dash divided by n. You substitute this and you will get this value. To understand, no girls, it's very easy, nothing to be worried here. Then you see the next problem. Find the arithmetic mean for the following frequency distribution. Here see what value you have. See 10, 19 is not absolute. We have not, value is not absolute. 19, 29. So we apt answer you can't get. So what you are doing means, in class interval we will change like 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, like that we will change. Here if we get 11 or 1, like that also we have to change. If we get value for 1 means 0.5, or else if you get 11 like that means you will change as 11.5 or 10.5 like that we will change. So here the value is 19. So we will not get the correct answer. So what we have to do means 9.5 to 9.5 to 19.5 will get this value number. So we are doing 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5. We'll put this value as in class interval. So you see you have given like this frequency of value have given. Now we'll see the tabular column. See, I said no, class interval 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5. Like that, last value what you have 80 to 89. Then what you will get 89 means 79.5 to 89.5. You are putting this frequency value also. Yeah. Then x value how you will find? I said before itself 9.5 plus 19.5 divided by 2. You put this, you will get this answer 14.5, 24.5, 34.5, 44.5, 54.5, like that you will get this values. Now, how many values are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, you are getting even number. So, how you will calculate assumed mean here? See what you will do 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5. This is the mean. We will take this median here. This both value. In that first value, what you have 44.5. You will take the test assumed mean as 44.5. Then what you will get d dash is equal to x minus a by c. A is assumed mean what you have 44.5. Then class interval c, how much you have c, that is also 10. Then you will calculate this, you will get 14.5 minus 44.5 divided by 10. You will get minus 3 minus 2, like that you will get this answer. Okay girls, again what you have to do, you have to find fd dash. Fd dash means f into d dash. You multiply f and d dash and you will get these values. In sum this, you will get summation fd dash value. Okay girl, next what you have to do means, what the formula? X bar equal to a plus summation fd dash, dear, it's not d dash, summation fd dash divided by n into c. You substitute these values and you will get this answer. Hope you would have understand girls. Next, what problem? Next you have find the mean from the following data. What you have seen here, class interval what they have given 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. You will not get the absolute values. So what I have said in before problem also, if it is like this means what you have to do, your before number 0.5 to 10.5, then what 10.5 to 20.5, like that you have to put in the class intervals. Okay girls, same like that only before problem how you have done, like that only you will see the tabular column 10.5, 20.5, 30.5, that is next bottom of frequency you are putting. Then x value how will calculate 0.5 plus 10.5 divided by 2. Then d dash, how many here d dash how you will find x minus a by c. D dash is equal to x minus a by c. A assumed mean how you will see how much values are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again even number. So first in again first if you are getting two values means first value 45.5. You are doing like this and you will calculate d dash value. And then f d dash, you know, as usual you multiply f into d dash and you sum this summation f d dash. Then what you will get n value, how much is here, n is equal to 90. You calculate you sum this f value and you will get n value. This n is equal to 90. Number of items is 90. Then you substitute this value in your formula. X bar equal to a plus summation fd dash divided by n into c. You substitute that values and you will get the answer. Okay girls, you can use calculator also, nothing to worry. The same problem here also. See again, next problem what you have, 0 to 9. So what you will do here, you have 0 to 9. So what you will do, 0.5 to 9.5. This is not 19.5 girls, this is 9.5. Then 9.5 to 19.5. Like that you are calculating the class intervals as I said before problem. Like that you calculate that and you will get that answer. If you have any doubt means you can comment in my comment box or else in the group. Next problem you see ma. Calculate mean from the following data. As actually this question is there. What means calculate values they have given. This is cumulative frequency and classes. This is not less than ma. This is just they have entered as like that 10, 20, 30. Actually they have given the cumulative frequency value. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Then frequency value they have given. See in this video I have said, see in this problem cumulative frequency and classes are given. We will first convert the data in simple series. After a calculation of mean is done. See cumulative frequency 0 to 10 we are taking as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Then cumulative frequency they have given. So what you are doing means 4, 10, 15, 25, 30. You are putting that frequency values. That is cumulative frequency. Now we have to find f. So what you have to do means first value what you have 4. You put that 4. Then next value what you have 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Then 15 minus 10 is 5. 25 minus 15 is 10. 30 minus 25 is 5. 35 minus 30 is 5. Then 43, 45 this is 45 minus 35, 10. 65 minus 45, 20. We are calculating this one, f. Then as usual x how you will find, 0 plus 10 divided by 2. Then d dash also you know, x minus a by c. Then f d dash. You are adding this one, then substitute in the formula, x bar equal to a plus summation f d dash divided by n, and you will get that answer. Okay girls, you would have understand. Next we will go for next problem also. So we'll see in next class.